Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to manage static assets in a Django project. Static assets include CSS files, JavaScript files, images, and any other files that do not change in response to user input. Tutorial: Managing static assets in Django. Step 1. Setting up your Django project. First, if you haven't already set up a Django project, do so by running the following commands in your terminal. Bash. Install Django if you haven't already. Pip install Django. Create a new Django project. Django-admin start project myproject. Navigate into the project directory. cd myproject. Create a new Django app. Python manage.py startapp myapp. Step 2. Configuring static files in Django. Django has built-in support for serving static files. To configure it, you need to set up some settings in your settings.py file. Open myproject/settings.py and add the following lines. Python. Import OS. From pathlib import path. Base directory. base_dir equals path, __ file __ dot resolve, dot parent. Static files, CSS, JavaScript, images. Static _URL equals /static/. The folder where static files will be collected. Static files _dirs equals os.path.join, base_dir, myapp, static. Step 3. Creating static files. Now, create a directory for your static files inside your app folder. The structure should look like this: myproject / myapp / static / myapp / css / styles.css js / script.js images / logo.png myproject / settings.py urls.py. Now, let's create a simple CSS file, styles.css, inside myapp /static /myapp /css css /*myapp /static /myapp /css styles.css */ body. Background color, F0 F0 F0. Font family, Arial, sans serif. H1. Color, 333. And a simple JavaScript file, script.js, inside myapp /static /myapp /js javascript /myapp /static /myapp /js script.js. Document.add event listener, DOM content loaded, function. Alert: welcome to my Django app. You can also add an image file named logo.png inside myapp /static /myapp /images /. Step 4. Using static files in templates. Next, you'll need to use these static assets in your HTML templates. Create a template file called index.html in myapp /templates /myapp /html. -myapp /templates /myapp /index.html - doc type HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta charset equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. Title my Django app /title. Link rel equals style sheet ref equals %static myapp /css /styles.css % head. Body. H1 welcome to my Django app, /h1 imgsrc equals %static myapp /images /logo.png %alt equals logo. Script src equals %static myapp /js /script.js %script /body /html. Step 5, adding URL patterns. Next, you need to create a view to render this template. Open myapp /views.py and define a simple view. Python myapp /views.py. From django.shortcuts import render. Def index, request. Return render, request, myapp /index.html. Now, add a URL pattern to point to this view. Open myapp /urls.py and add the following. Python myapp /urls.py. From django.urls import path. From .views import index. URL patterns equals path, index, name equals index. Finally, include your app's URLs in the main project's urls.py. Python myproject /urls.py. From django.contribution import admin. From django.urls import path, include URL patterns equals path, admin / administration site.urls. Path, include, myapp.urls. Step 6, running the development server. Now that everything is set up, you can run the development server. Bash Python manage.py runs a var. Open your web browser and navigate to http://127.0.0.1:8000/. You should see your web page with the styles applied and a JavaScript alert when the page loads. Conclusion: you've now set up static assets in your Django project. You can include CSS, JavaScript, and images to enhance your web application. This basic structure can be expanded upon as your application grows, allowing for better organization of your static files. Feel free to experiment with more complex setups and additional static files. Happy coding!